Ya kene kejing yalang ke beningkong jong kene ke komiti ke bekmi halor kejing penterekam ya ke roster system hapo kejing yalam jong ke menteri ketenan an i Dr. Ampareen lengdo. Lawan banishim benta de ginong yalam jong kiseng san pertai boper nrena kaliang jong ka VPP bat ka khnam kim shim lapoi satya ha kene kejing yalang. I Dr. Ampareen i laong bagi dikhat jong ka komiti de gobe kesur kilashim ekarai ban pha ekakai phot jong menteri rangba agajela ukonrat kongkal sangma. Ban aibor ka komiti ban kren halor ka Reservation Policy jong kejela. Ilong baga komiti kelarai baya ka roster system ka baga sarkar kelapan kre ban penterekam ladap ban snguthu da borok kiseng san perthai. Ban borok kiseng san perthai kila ai ka jingmut ban penbahas usyo ka roster system. I Dr. Ampareen ilong baga komiti ke sngudairu ban ai lat lang ya borok kiseng san perthai ha gejela ban wane shim bentalang ha gane kejing ya kren. Bat kisnguru bakala de kapor ke ka komiti bagan ajing mut ke sarkar jela baga de ban sya eki ban ailat ya ka VPP bagan pensnguthu e kata kejing don kam ban penkela ya ka Reservation Policy jong kejela. Iletho baki dikhat jong ka komiti omtang bakle kren tang halor ke roster ndrai kelakta ru ikatto ke ngimat ke badan lang bat ke Reservation Policy. I Dr. Ampareen ilong balada hab ban shim me kanu karai ke ban kata ki pateng ki ban wan dan kam ban ailat ya borok ki seng san perthai ban ya dan bentalang bat kan pha ke ne ke jing sngo ke jongki sya ke sarkar bat an kentur ke sarkar jela ban plia sa khandiat ke jing khang ban ailat ke VPP ba kan wan ra i kita ke jing i jing syam ba ke jing sngo jongki halor ke Reservation Policy
ngilaya rai lang borok ki parti ki buwan chu ke jing yalang ba ya ka roster ka bakani ka sarkar kala penkre ban pentrekam ya ka Reservation Policy ladek ban sungthu de ki political parties baro but baro ki political parties kila ai ki jingbut ki jongki katu katni ki ban nang penbha shushu ya kata ka roster but ngin sabha ye kini ki jingrai ki jongi sha ka sarkar sha honorable chief minister ba unshim ya kita ki jingrai ki jongi halor kita ki kendon bro kani ka komiti ru ka sngo ba kadai ka komiti ka badai ban ailat lang ya bro ki political parties ki badon ha kani ki jela ka jongi bakin wan shim bentalang ha kani ki jingya kren ne ka sngi nilayo ya ka wai ka chiti na ka VPP no president jong ka VPP bakim na bakin wan siya kani kajing yalang nakadaw ka bakilaya thu ingi but ngingi snow malesi kaladay ka po ya kani ka komiti bakan ay jingmut ya ka sarkar jela ka jungi baka dayru lesi man siya ingi bangin ay lad ya ka voice of the people bakan pensuthu ya kata ka jingdon kam ban lesi penkelaya kata ka state job reservation policy. Di habang ila play ya kata kajing ya kana siya kata kathong pan. But siya kata kakendon pan. Kan long ru ka badon kam yengi ban siya lang ya ki weda ki political parties bakin ya ajing mud lang. Nginne ngilayayat palat ya kata ka roster. Ngilaya krenti. Kiwi mat ngilawan lang. Nomor kiwi mat ki wan na kata ka reservation policy kung mga ong gabaday ka kami. Tina kata ka daw let's say banbha ngin ong you honorable chief minister ngin pa ya kata kamay news pangilaya de rai latin pero khat ki political parties ki bawan madaten pero log jungi nagan hills kilaya don lang don kam banya don lang hakum kata karay ay bangin kren namar ngin nek lam don ka term of reference ban kren si pang reservation policy tang namar ko pikren si pang roster pihak kren ti si pang reservation policy Ruh. To the voice of the people party to attend this meeting provided that the government of Meghalaya permits us to extend our terms of reference to also discussing the job reservation policy. With this, we thank you for coming here and we hope that you will communicate correctly the intention of this committee, which is tasked with a very, very important assignment. As of now, a main party who has 4 MLAs in the Legislative Assembly is not part of this conversation and discussion. Hence, it is lacking of inclusiveness. If you want it to be inclusive, we may extend the main discussion on the reservation, the job reservation policy of the state of Meghalaya, because anyways, other members of other political parties in their deliberations today referred to other points of the reservation policy, and hence it is by default that we anyways had to discuss the reservation policy.